So in this lesson, we're going to be going over the must-have logo design books. As a logo designer, we all know that staying inspired and just staying creative is very important. I myself have a collection of logo design books that I always refer to just keep me creative. Books can also come in handy when you're running out of ideas during the sketching process of a logo design project, but sometimes it's also just good to refresh your mind and have a look at these books. These books allow you to stay inspired as well as informing you on what logo design has already been created. Again, these books are also a benchmark of good logo design. The first book I want to talk about is Logo Design Love. What I like about this book is that it has a lot of creative process within it, and it also just shows you how to sketch in a very effective way. It also has the theoretical side of logo design, and you can also see how a semantic tree is implemented during a creative process. The book shows you a creative process from start to finish, as well as a variety of explorations you can follow. The next book, which is one of my favorites, Logo Modernism. Logo Modernism is the handbook for good logo design. What I really like about this is that the whole book is divided into different chapters. Whether it's squares, triangles, circles, or even shapes, the book has each chapter laid out. The book is very big, which allows you to see in detail every logo design. Regardless on what logo design you're working on, when out of ideas, this book allows you to regain your focus. Another must-have logo design book is Symbol. This book focuses on logo marks as well as a variety of different techniques. Similar to Logo Modernism, this book is also split up in several chapters which have different types of techniques for logo design. This book is very small and compact and can easily be carried anywhere. The next book I want to talk about is Logotype, another must-have logo design book, which is just the Logotype version of Symbol. This book doesn't focus on logo marks, but instead focuses on Logotype. What I really like about this book is that it has a specific focus on word marks. Just like Symbols and Logo Modernism, it has different chapters focusing on a variety of different type of logos. One of my other favorites is architectural logos. This book is very overlooked, and I believe not many people know about this book. This book is very specific and focuses on literally architectural logos. This book is definitely recommended for logo designers who specialize in architectural logos. It's a very small book similar to a notepad and can be carried anywhere. Lastly, another book I recommend is Draplin Design Co. Pretty Much Everything. This book has a lot of graphic design such as posters and packaging. It allows you to see a logo design come to life. So now we know what resources to use before and during our creative process. We're now going to look at what resources to use after our creative process.